Hello, everyone. Tonight is a very exciting night. There is a big football match on TV. I can't wait to watch it.
I want everything to be ready before the match starts. Now I need to check the sound. The sound is clear. That's perfect. I don't want to miss anything tonight.
The match hasn't started yet? I thought you were already watching.
The match will start soon.
The popcorn looks great. I brought our drinks. Now we are almost ready for the big match.
Which team are you supporting tonight? Do you think they will win?
I think my team has a good chance tonight. They have been playing very well. But in football, anything can happen. Oh, wow. That was a great attack. They almost scored a goal. The match is starting now. I have been waiting all evening for this. This should be a great game.
This game is more exciting than I expected. I understand why people enjoy football. It is very entertaining.
Goal! What a fantastic goal! This match is amazing.
This has been a very exciting match. I am enjoying it much more than I expected.
When the ball goes into the goal, it is called a goal. And the team with more goals wins the match. What a fantastic match. I enjoyed every minute of it. It was a wonderful evening. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned some new English today. See you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.